Hi there! Welcome back to day 23 of our Esri Leaflet Advent Calendar tutorial series. Today we'll be focusing on using the same routing service that we did previously in our last tutorial, but using a different functionality, finding service areas. So today we'll learn how to calculate the area that can be reached in a given driving time from any location. Let's dive in. We'll start with the code from the beginning of our day 22 video, right after we brought in the ArcGIS REST.js libraries through CDN and created an authentication variable. Next, we'll create two layer group variables, one for the clicked center point on the map and one for the service area's polygons. Now, we'll add an event listener to our map. When a user clicks on the map, we'll clear any existing layers and then use the ArcGIS REST.js service area method to calculate the accessible areas from that point, using the proper endpoint URL, authentication, and the facility's clicked location. Finally, I'll display these polygon areas on the map using the l.geojson method and add it to my service areas layer. I'll now test out this application by opening it up in the browser. By clicking on the map, I'm able to see 3 service areas around my marker. By default, these areas indicate the areas that can be reached by driving for 5, 10, or 15 minutes. Now, your challenge for today is to enhance the visual appeal and readability of these service areas. Experiment with styling options like color, opacity, and borders. And that's it for today. Join us tomorrow for day 24 when we will learn how to query global demographic information for locations around the world with the ArcGIS Geo-Enrichment Service. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.